Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we will learn the arithmetic operations with the images. What do you mean by arithmetic operations with the images? I got two images. Can I club them together? That's what I mean as arithmetic operations. Yes, we are going to club two images, mix two images together, and we will get one resultant image. So how does it work? Very simple. We have got a method or function called as cv2.add. When you use cv2.add, you can specify image 1 and image 2 completely over there, and once this function is executed, you will get the result. But there are some issues which are related to combining pixels together. There could be some challenges and it is a problem. So what do we do is we have another method called as cv2.addWeighted, and this one is the best option for mixing two images together or adding two images together. We will code that right now and I'll show you how exactly we have coded and see that the syntax is presented in front of you. cv2.addWeighted, this is image 1, this is weight 1 for the image, this is image 2, weight 2 for the image, and gamma value. So what is weight 1 and weight 2? I'll show you that in the code. What is gamma value? I shall show that as well in the code. We'll go to the demo right away and that will be very helpful for you to understand this scenario, right? Right. Can we go ahead and see the demo right now? We will see that step by step after we going through the code. The first line is solid and it's there even in this code. I've imported CV2 and NumPy. I'm reading the first image and it is i1.jpg. The second image is flower2.jpg. Remember, both should be of same sizes, and if you have different size images, it won't work. This is i1 and I'm taking the flower2 image right now. You can see that the second image name is flower2. Let's take that flower2, and these two are totally two different content and different colors. You can see that this is white background mostly and the second one was a red. Now we are going to combine them together with add weighted option, and image 1 is presented with the weight 0.5 and image 2 is presented with the weight 0.4, which means image 1 is i1.jpg, image 2 is flower2.jpg, and both the weights are presented and the gamma value can be 0. Now I'll have to sum this up and cv2.imshow will give me the result. So you can see that the syntax is updated here. cv2.addWeighted image 1 weight 1, image 2 weight 2, comma gamma value. The gamma value remains 0 and it can be 0. Now I will get the display done for the final image which is generated out of image 1 and flower2, which we have had as the input image, and cv2.weight is again the same way that we have used in the previous tutorials. Can we run the code? Yes, I'm going to do that right now. And 3 underscore image addition. You can see that both the images are clubbed right now and it's a big image, so I'm scrolling it step by step. The name of the image is the summed image, and this is the combination of two images that we have generated out as one image with the code that I have shown you. I hope you like the demo. If you have any queries, suggestions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. If you have any particular technology queries related to it, I can answer that too. If you like the channel, please subscribe and refer it to your friends. Thank you.